All right, up next is Vintage Yamaha and Vintage Mac. Let's go over our starting lineups. And in Vintage Mac, starting in first place is car number 63, Randy Duncalf. And in second is car number 24, Daniel Reinhold. In third, car number 8, Steve Welts. And starting fourth is car number 15, Richard Vandermaiden. As for Vintage Yamaha, starting in first place, car number 5, James Hoff. And in second, car number 51, Travis Hammond. Starting in third, car number 07, Brad Nicholson. Starting in fourth, car number 8, Troy Porter. Starting in fifth, car number 10, Steve McGraw. Starting in sixth, car number 31, Travis Porter. Starting in seventh, car number 21, Kurt Gustafson. Starting in eighth, car number 3, Felicity Kruger. Starting in ninth, car number 48, Mason Achabach. And starting in 10th, car number 81, Randy Porter. Vintage Yamaha was the faster qualifying class, so they will be starting ahead of with the fast time, that time by 38.906. Daniel Reinhold in 7th, Kurt Gustafson in 8th. Car looks really hooked up here, 38.701 for him. Let's go, 2 to go, next time by. Mason Auchenbach is going to be in fourth.